RockinRobin. Welcome. You are on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps resellers make more money. Well, a couple weeks ago, I did 10 BOLO items that you need to look for if you want to make some good money. Well, I enjoyed that episode so much that I decided I want to do another 10 BOLO items. Now, I think I'm going to do this once a month, so keep watching. I may even do it once every 3 weeks. It's a lot of fun. It's inspirational. It makes you really want to go out there and look for these things and hope that you find them. Well, I have 10 items today, and we're going to go through those. But first, if this is your first time here, we sell on eBay. We've been selling on there for a long time. We sell on Mercari. We sell on Poshmark. We sell on Facebook Marketplace. And yes, we sell at the flea market. You stay with us. We'll be right back. All right. So let's take a look at these 10 BOLO items. Now, number one, Toy Story T-Rex for $760. I love toys. Now, it must have blue clouds and not white or yellow label in order to be worth the most. Don't ask me why, but if you see it, purchase it. $760 for a toy, a T-Rex. Hey, I love it. Now, sticking to the toy arena, number two is a 1979 Boba Fett. This is sealed vintage. It's from Kenner. It's a Star Wars, of course, and it's selling for $18,000. Man, I wish I bought that back when. $18,000, what I could do with that now. Oh, boy. Well, look for them. Number three. Now, this is a hat. This is a vintage new apple slice snapback trucker hat. And it's a, it's a cap and it's striped and it's Pepsi, $10,000. This is why I look for hats. You never ever know what you're gonna find. You might find something really, really cool. So $10,000 for a cap. That sounds like a pretty good deal to me. Number four, rare vintage IMPN 1500 portable computer. Look at it. $9,900. Yeah. I don't really look for those type of things, but if you're looking for that type of computer processor type thing, you never know. It's always good to check these out. Go on eBay, find the scan the item, or just look it up, whatever way you're doing it, find out what it's worth. Check everything. So there's a good BOLO for you. All right. Number five is a vintage Stitch Wanda in living color. Now, is that something? It's a mosquito head or something like that. And it's going for $8,000. Now, I told you before, these are all sold. I don't go to anything that's not sold. Anybody could ask any price for anything. So if you want to know the real prices, you have to go to sold. Now, I used to watch In Living Color. I loved that show. That was a long time ago, I believe. I believe that was in the 90s. And 20 years later, look what it's worth. $8,000. All right, now I have to tell you about Tie Beanie Babies. This is number six. I have a big box. People are always telling me they're worth something. I went through them. I have all the ones that are supposedly worth money set to the side. I can't imagine people buying these for these prices. I may put them up, but I may not. Now, what they're asking for, this Tie Beanie Baby is Nanook the dog, 1996, retired in mint condition, $15,000. $15,000 for a Tie Beanie Baby. I'm really gonna have to go through mine a little bit more carefully before I put them up on eBay or sell them at a flea market. I tell you, they could be worth some good money. So check out your Tie Beanie Babies. See what you can get them for. Put them up for $15,000. If they don't sell, they don't sell. But hey, it's worth a try, right? All right. Now the next one is a rare 1972 John Wayne coffee mug. Can you imagine? It's from the Cowboys. And it's It's for the cast and crew only, and it was $2,500. My whole point with some of these is that you never know what you're going to find. You never know what the real value is. I mean, I might pick it up and go, oh, that's cute. Maybe I can get 20, 25 bucks for it. In reality, I could have gotten 2,500. You just never know. You just keep looking, you keep hoping, you keep saying, I gotta find that one. And if you like Dennis the Menace, well, he's number 8. Dennis the Menace Pebble Beach Golf Decanter. $2,500 for a decanter. You know, when I go and I see decanters, I never pick them up. I go, oh, barware. Nobody's buying barware anymore. I'm not buying barware. Look at, if I picked this one up, I could have gotten $2,500. I would have been so happy to pay for one of my trips to Disney. All right, number 9 is Freddie Funko Daryl, limited edition. You know, pop giant. Those are really, really cool. And he's from The Walking Dead. And he's sold for $4,000. $4,000. Man. You know, I see Funkos all the time. I have no idea what their value is. I wish I collected those because I always liked them. But I just don't have room to collect them. But I wish I had that one for $4,000. I'd sell it. I don't really need that badly. All right. And my 10th one that I'm going to show you is Alfred Philippe Trifari Red Invisible Set Poinsettia Flowers. Now the reason I'm showing you this one is because when I go, I have Trifari items all the time. I go and I look and I go to tag sales and I see things. I never know what they are. But if you're a jewelry person, you really know. And this $10,500 is not what I would have thought for a Trifari. But I think Alfred Philippe was the main reason that it sold for so much. So look for ones, if you're looking for jewelry, that are an Alfred Philippe Trifari. And maybe, just maybe, you can get $10,000 for it. You never know. Maybe you can't. Maybe you will. Now, I'm going to continue to do BOLO items every single month. And if you like the things that we talk about, you like BOLO items, you like seeing what I sold, you like seeing what I found, all those great things, make sure you subscribe. If you subscribe, it's a great way to know what's going on. And if you sell these things, you have to keep learning. I'm learning. I still watch others as well. So watch a lot of different videos. And if you give us a thumbs up, that's appreciated. That means you like us, and that's important to us. And you can also hit the bell so that you don't miss a video, and leave a comment if you want to tell me something or ask me a question. I try to answer every single one of you. So this is RockinRobin. I hope you enjoyed this edition of our BOLOs. We'll have another one next month, maybe in 3 weeks. Who knows? I love doing BOLOs. I love finding expensive stuff that I did not find. Now, you go out there, you find one of these items, you put them up online, and you go make yourself some money. See you soon.